Hey guys, it's MJ here with another short keyboard video for you. And remember, if you like the content, please like and subscribe. Now I want to show you a build that I've been doing with an RK68. I'll make another video later on as to the whole build process, but this one's just going to be about the sound of it. In summary, it's an RK68 which has had its switches switched, if you can say that. So I have a few Halo Trues for the modifiers and AKKO Ocean Blues for everything else. And just put this back together. And hopefully you can hear how it sounds. I've switched over my microphone, and hopefully you can still hear it decently well with this one. So here it goes. So tell me what you think, and remember, please like and subscribe if you like the content. And well, that's all from me for now. Stay safe, and I'll catch you soon.